Come on. Speak.
I am a gift.
Yes.
Speak life.
I am a gift to this world. I was put
I
here
am.
to give
Yes.
what is inside of me. Whether that is teaching somebody how to do math, or teaching somebody how to bake a cake,
Right.
or giving them a poem, or painting something, or lifting your friend up when they're down with some positive advice. You
Right.
know, whatever. I was a gift. I was put here to give something that nobody else can give.
No. This world was created with me in mind.
Right.
This world was created, and this was going to take place even before we took place.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty in it, is you can find beauty in anything. Like, people ask me, why did you choose fire? Fire can give you life, but fire can also give you death. Sometimes there are some things in me that have been in me so long that they need to die so that I can rise high.
Give the gift of lift. Lift people up. Lift people up so when they look at your shirt, they look at your mug, they get an inspiring message. They're lifted.